Okay, greetings all. Welcome to the preview of Chapter 7, Rat Park, from Opening Skinner's Box. I have to tell you, this is probably one of the most controversial chapters in the book. And I think also it's one that I think you'll find pretty engaging. Bruce Alexander is making some pretty big claims here, and so we'll have a lot to talk about this week. And so let's get into what you're going to do. Okay, so first you need to get some background knowledge. You should be used to that by now. You know that's what you have to do. So first I want to tell you there's a fantastic comic strip that was published on the experiment, and there's a link to it in D2L. So just go to week 5 and then SB for Skinner's Box, and then click on the external link that says Rat Park Comic Book. It'll take you directly to the comic book that you see a screenshot of above, and then you just page through and you'll learn all about the psychological experiment that Alexander did on rats and what he found with Rat Park. Enjoy it. It's fantastic. Students have really loved this one. Okay, then go to Bruce Alexander's website. It's the second external link in your Week 5 Skinner's Box folder. So click on Bruce Alexander's website, The View from Rat Park, and then this is a screenshot of the top of the page, so you'll know you got to the right place. Read through the page. It's fascinating, especially near the bottom where he connects it to history. So good. Feel free to click around his website for a while. There's lots to read about addiction here. He's published so many things, and he's really updated it. I haven't been to this website for like 2 years. And wow, he has just updated so much. There's so much more here. So go ahead and click around. Remember that everything that you read and everything that you do will help you write your final reflection, which is at the end of all of the content this week. Okay. So enjoy Bruce Alexander's website. He really helps you see Rat Park and what it looked like and how it all went down. Okay, so by then you should be ready to read. So here's Bruce Alexander, screenshot of Chapter 7. Enjoy the chapter. Again, super controversial. I'll be interested to see what you think about it. Hopefully it won't offend anybody. I know that some people have very personal experience in their lives or the lives of a loved one with addiction. So I do know that this chapter can be somewhat of a trigger and certainly give you quite an emotional response. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to tell me all about it in the reflection at the end. All right, so go ahead and read the chapter. Complete your QQMS, collect your questions and your quotes as you read, and then do your major support and your thesis. You should know the thesis starter by now, right? In Chapter 7 of Opening Skinner's Box by Lauren Slater, she writes about and then finish the sentence. Remember that it should help us understand why this chapter is in the book and how it connects to her guiding questions from page 3. Who are we? What makes us human? Are we truly the authors of our own lives? What makes us moral? What does it mean to be free? All of these questions are answered in this chapter, so make sure you see the connection. Okay. And then that's all for now. So right now, this week, you're doing just a basic QQMS. But remember, I know you'll have a lot to say to me. That's great. And you'll be able to write an overall reflection. But I'm going to make you wait until you've gotten through all of the other content for this week, because you'll be reading other arguments about this issue, and so they will all tie together. Plus your connecting essay this week is also about addiction, so everything connects, and you'll have a chance to really write an amazing reflection at the end of this week. So enjoy Rat Park, enjoy the comic book and Bruce Alexander's website, get your reading done and your QQMS done, and you're ready to move on.